Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation INC, INC, which stands for increase. An increase is a general term which can be used with any kind of stitch. In my case here, I'm using double crochet and I'm making a circle, and a circle is a perfect example of increases because you end up increasing each row by the number of stitches you started. So this is a double crochet circle, so I start with 12 stitches and I increase every row by 12 stitches. So my second row ends up being 24 stitches and so on and so forth. Just increasing by 12 every single row. That's how you get a nice flat circle. So how do you do an increase? Typically it is made by putting more than one stitch into a stitch. It could be a chain stitch, it could be a single crochet, double crochet, anything you want. So in this situation, I am increasing with double crochets, and I got some cat here. I'm increasing with double crochets. So this next stitch, I will put 2 stitches into the same stitch. So yarn over into the stitch, that's 1 double crochet, and then I will make another double crochet into that same spot. Because of the row that I'm on, the next 2 are just single stitches into every stitch. Next row, I've got 2 double crochet into the same spot. Now, if I wanted this circle to be more lacy, I could, for instance, put a chain instead of a double crochet and then double crochet into the next stitch, and I'm left with a space. However, stitch-wise, a chain is a stitch, so I've added a stitch in there. So basically, increasing is increasing number of stitches you're working with. You could have a semicircle, you can have a triangle, a granny square. Every row you're increasing on the corners. And yeah, so that is increase, universal for any stitch, just increasing number of stitches you're working with on every row.